I'm going to show you how to make a Vermont Maple Blaster. We're going to start off with ice, pour that into your glass. Pour that into your glass, not your shaker. Do as I say, not as I do. Then we're going to add in 2 ounces of rum, just like so. That's 1, and 2. Then we're going to add in about 2 ounces of maple syrup. I don't like mine as sweet, so I'm adding about 1 ounce here, but if you like it sweeter, go ahead and go with 2. We're going to add in about 2 ounces of water, like so, and we're going to shake this up. All right. Now, this is a drink that can be served a variety of different ways. One of the ways is a mason jar. I also like to serve this in a pint glass. Here we go. And this is a great refreshing drink if you are skiing because it's cold outside, but you're working really hard. So if you want to come in and cool off from all your hard work, here you go, Vermont Maple Blaster. Cheers.